Hey guys, so I know I told you I was on vacation this week and I wasn't going to get you a video, but Cousin Mel did one for me. Now, what many of you might not know about Cousin Mel is that she is moving. Cousin Mel has been renting this gorgeous little farmhouse that we see in all our tours for the last 8 years, but she needed to get out. The landlord was taking it back for himself. And she had to find a new place, and there were a few weeks of stress and where am I going to live? And she did find a new place. So she's been getting rid of a lot, decluttering a lot, and she wanted to show you how her apartment looks now without anything in it. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Mel. Figured I would come and check in with you and just give you guys an update as to what's going on. Obviously, if you haven't heard and you're looking at this, you can notice that this room looks very different. Actually, I'm moving. I found out about 3 weeks ago that I needed to move out of my place. Unfortunately, the people upstairs and myself both were asked to leave by October. So thankfully, I did find a place right in town, so I'm 5 minutes away. But I just talked to Ann today and I said, it'd be kind of fun to just kind of go through and show you what's not here anymore. I've been binging and purging for the past 3 weeks. That's when I'm not working. It's basically what I'm doing. So I sold a lot of things I had. Like I said, I thankfully found a place, and it's small. It's a 1-bedroom. It's a lot smaller than this. This was a blessing that I had for 7 years that I honestly never thought I was going to have to leave, but when you rent, that's what happens because you don't own. So this room is pretty much cleared out. I have somebody coming Saturday to pick up my sewing machine, and that I've offered to anyone who wants. So the funny thing is, when you guys have seen the videos, that's the couch that everyone loves the slip covers to, when in reality the slip covers was just a quilt and blankets on each arm of the couch. So underneath the surface, it's very ugly, but it's very comfortable. So anyway, this is my little entryway room. There's the stairs to nowhere, but that had the games on it, and that's all cleaned out. I had to kind of purge a lot because, like I said, I don't have a lot of room in my next place, so I actually have sold some things. So those are things in the waiting for people to buy. Yeah, my kitchen's like pretty cleared out. I'm taking this with me. This is coming. I do have an oven that actually works in the other house. So yeah, obviously I've been doing a lot of cleaning out. Yeah, so there's that cupboard all empty. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful house. This is actually the keeping room. So I think in a couple weeks, hopefully in maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I should be able to start moving in. I need to move in as September 1st. So thankfully I have a lot of friends that have offered to help me move, which I really appreciate. And so that is the stay room. I actually can fit my dining room and my pie safe and that piece. So I think one of my friends is going to babysit my locker for me. Sadly enough, I cannot fit the locker, so that has to go somewhere. So I had a good friend say, I'll take care of it for you, and when you want, you can have it back. And this room, I can take pretty much everything in here, I think. I kind of looked at the place over the other day and said, I think I can fit all this. So when we move, this will be coming, but as you can see, the walls are pretty empty. It's kind of funny, like how cozy something can be, and then when you start to take everything down, it's just not as cozy anymore. I mean, at first I was pretty devastated, and I'm like, this is my home. I made it my home. Like, it was the first time in the 7 years I lived here, I finally got it to where I wanted it to be, and I loved it. And so it was pretty much a, surprise. But anyway, this is the stairway. Now, here, you guys, this is my favorite room, but brace yourself, because this is really sad. My porch. Complete sadness. But it's okay. I am going to a really nice place. It's a really cute section in town. There's really cute houses around it, and I'm 5 minutes away, so I will be fine. I have some friends that will take some of these boxes and store them for me just because I cannot fit them. Oops, sorry. Oh, All right, let's try that. Sorry, I can't fit them in my place, so I am trying to sadly get rid of my little lounge chair here, which I spent many times on, and you guys have seen this room many different ways with many different pillows, and now it's just kind of boxes and boxes, and I'm going to be able to keep that wicker set, and I'm actually going to put it on the front porch. I have a cute little open front porch at my new place, so, and I have a teeny weeny little porch. I'm in the second floor, and so I'm going to take the other two wicker chairs and put them in there and have a little tiny little sitting area. So I have it all envisioned, and I'm really excited about it. You know, it'll be kind of fun to redecorate and do something new. And then I'm going to take this set with me, because this was my folk set, and I love this set. So this will fit. I can fit my bed, I can fit this, and I can fit that, and maybe a chair if I'm lucky. And sorry about the fan and the extra noise. It's about 95 degrees out today, and tomorrow's supposed to be 100. So as everyone in the country is sweating, I am sweating with you. So hopefully, you know, I can fit all that in there, and it'll be just cozy. You know, and then there's the hallway. If you guys remember this, I had a lot of, obviously everywhere, signs on the wall. I had a cute chair right there with my little angel sitting on it. Now it's just a hallway. It's a shell of itself. But anyway, this is the hallway, and then we go into the guest room. Again, taking pretty much everything down. Trying to actually sell this bedroom set. So hopefully, my nephew is going to put it on some of the sites, I think like Facebook Marketplace and a few other places, because it's a nice set. I actually talked to Lainey from Country Bumpkins, and she gave me a price, you know, to offer, to give, you know, to ask for. But I haven't really had any bite. So hopefully I can get rid of this, because I really would like somebody to buy this and this to go to a good home. I can't fit it. It's a one bedroom, so. And now you can see how my out of my house looks. But it is just amazing how my house echoes now. It's hollow. It echoes when I walk around. And this closet, I don't know if I ever show you guys, but this was where everyone said, where do you store all your pillows? These were all my shelves for all my seasonal pillows. And I've gotten rid of a lot, or I've packed them away. Obviously, I've purged a lot of clothes when you look at those clothes hangers. And thankfully, there are two pretty good-sized closets in this other place, because I was kind of fitting out, because I'm like, I have so many clothes and so many shoes. Bathroom's still the same. The other bathroom is it's just basically a bathroom. So anyway, here is the end of this exciting tour. But I was talking to Ann, like I said today, and we just decided that, you know, once I get squared away, hopefully by mid-September, I really do want to do like a fall tour, because I know you guys love it and I love to do it. Fall is my favorite. So at least I'll have a clean slate when I have to start and decorate for the fall. So this is all the stuff that made the cut. A lot of stuff didn't make the cut, but you know what? It's not a bad thing. It's kind of funny, because Ann will do these minimally, you know, how she's minimalizing. And I always thought, oh, I could never minimalize. And now I've had to minimalize. And it's not a bad thing. You know, I mean, a lot of the stuff I had, because I could have here, I had the room for it. And I'm kind of excited to make that other place look nice and cozy. And I will, you know, I'm excited to change. I'm ready to do it now. Like at first, I was pretty much sad and kind of crawling under the covers for a couple days. And then the first week or so was like, I can't believe this, because I don't know, I just kind of thought I'd be here forever. And, you know, my friends that live near here, my family that lives right next door, we were all pretty much blindsided, but, you know, it happens. And I'm so thankful I did find a nice place. And like I said, it's 5 minutes away, so I will be close. And I'll be in a safe place. That was the other thing, was, you know, is it going to be someplace I'm on my own? I want to be safe. You know, where am I going to go? What am I going to do? You know, it's not the best time to be looking for an apartment with this economy, with the way the market is. There's nothing out there. And if there is, it's extremely expensive. So it's an undertaking, you know, to have to do a first, last, you know, whatever, if that's what happens. Yeah, you know, it's just it's a big Big change, but it's a good change, you know? So anyway, these birdhouses are making the cut. I will find them a home, you know? All those signs. Some of my tins. I had to part with some of my tins. Keeping a few of the milk crates. And let's see, what else? The games, they come. The wooden games are coming. This little pie safe. There's no way. You guys know this thing. There's no way I'm not taking that with me. That's coming. My scales, I will find them a home, you know. I mean, it's going to be kind of fun to change it around. And so anyway, I just wanted to just get on, say hi. Thank you guys for all you guys who have reached out and said, you know, that you were thinking of me and that you hope things go well. And I'm definitely getting on my feet again. It's a much better feeling to find somewhere. I mean, that first 2 weeks of not knowing what was going to happen was not fun. It was really stressful. Sleepless nights, not eating days, but you know, God's good and things are fine. So anyway, I'm gonna sign off now. These are coming, obviously. This is coming, obviously. I just don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I will find them all home too. And anyway, I will just say goodbye for now, and we will see you hopefully in about a short month or so when we can get together with Anne and you guys can come see my new place and see it for the fall. So thanks so much for all your thoughts and your prayers and all your kind words.
Renting an apartment in that darling farmhouse. Really? Really?